Hi, I'm Ataul, a data aspirant. Today I'm going to share with you one of my project, which is about Atlic Hotels Data Analysis project. First of all, we are going to see problem statement. So problem statement is this that company names Atlic Hospitality, which is facing a decline in their bookings, and management wants to know what's going on and which hotels are performing well and which are performing poorly, which type of rooms are popular, and how booking trends works looks over the time. So what is the objective of this project? The objective of this project is we are going to analyze booking data from different hotels to find trends, patterns, and actionable insights to help management to improve their performance. So let's start. First of all, we are going to import pandas, and after that the first session is we are going to import all of the CSV files we have from our database. So we imported dim date, hotel, room, aggregated bookings, and bookings. So first of all, we import data of fact bookings, which have all the data of bookings, and we use this data frame and we use the head command, and we are going to understand what is the structure of this data: booking ID, property ID, booking date, and all this. uh, this is the structure of the data. And after that, we use shape command and unique command to understand how many rows and columns are there and what is the how many kind of rooms we have in this data. After that, we use Matplotlib and bar chart uh, to see what are the platform which is used mostly used for the bookings, and this other platform are used mostly. You can see 50,000 bookings are done at other platform. And now we use describe command to watch quick insights like min max, standard deviation, and count, etc. Or after that, we read all the other files like hotel, date, rooms, aggregated bookings. And now we are going to see what are how many luxury hotels we have. We use category dot value comma count. We have 16 hotels which is luxury and 9 hotels which are business. So first we are now uh, understanding what is the structure of the data, and after that we are going to for cleaning of this data. So you can see Mumbai has most hotels, and after that it's Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Delhi. And no, we are exploring aggregated bookings. How many the structure of the aggregated bookings, which is we have in this data: property ID, check-in date, rooms, successful bookings, and capacity. After that, we use group by command. So for watching how many successful bookings per ID, so we use command, group by command. And after that, we are after understanding the structure of the data, we are here for the cleaning of data. So first of all, we use describe command to watch quick insights. After that, the first question we are going to solve is clean invalid guests. So I use this command, the guests which are equal to 0 or less than 0. It's a common sense that hotels can't have guests in 0 or less than 0. So these are the number of guests which are less than 0 or equal to 0. So we are going to remove it, and I use this command, greater than 0, and stored in the same booking data. So you can see the rows are less than the above one. So after this, uh, we are going to handle outliers. Outliers are the values which are far away from, far higher from the mean, or far too much low from the mean. So these are called outliers. For example, if the luxury hotel rooms is rent is 50,000, and outlier is and coming the rent we showing here is 1 lakh, so it's an outlier, and it's showing 10,000 or 5,000, so it's an outlier. So we are going to remove it with the method of three standard deviation. So we use three standard of deviation to get the higher limit and the lower limit. The higher limit is 29,000 and this, and the lower, as you can see. So now I use this command, which is less than 0. So you can see no value is here. So data is cleaned now. So here I use describe command to watch the standard deviation. So I multiply standard deviation to get the higher limit. After getting the higher limit, I use this command greater than command to get how many values which are then higher limit. So we are going to remove it because these are the outliers. So after this, as you can see, booking ID I put here, which is above uh, is outlier, and now it's removed. So our higher limit is 50,000, and our highest value or highest rent is 45,220 rupees. So it's not outlier, so its value is correct. So now what is the next question? So what next question is, in aggregated booking finds column that have null values. So here capacity has two null values. We are going to take the median of this data, and I have take the median and put it here. Don't worry, I'm going to share this project on LinkedIn on my portfolio. I also have this project. You can check there and connect with me. After this, I use the shape command to watch how many rows and columns are there. After this, the third session we are going to uh, have is data transformation. As you can see here, is we are using aggregated data to watch the structure of the data. And now I use simply lambda command to get the OCC, occupancy rate. Occupancy rate is successful bookings divided by capacity. We found the occupancy rate. As you can see, here is the occupancy rate. So now we use info command to watch the data type of these variable, these tables and columns. And after this, various types of transformation. It depends on the situation and what kind of data it is. We can create new columns. We use normalization, merging of the tables, and merging of the data, and we also use the aggregation. So the fourth, the most important, the storyteller part of this project is insights generation. So as you can see, what is an average occupancy rate in each of the room by, we use group by command for this to get the mean of the occupancy rate group by room category. So we use these, all of these commands to watch. If I completely cover this in video, and the video will be too much longer, so I'm going to share this project on my portfolio, and you can watch it there. And if you want to give me any suggestion, please review my project and give your valuable suggestion. I'm always here to connect with you, and always open to connect with all the community. So as you can see, this project I have created in the last pie chart for all these companies, which is used for booking the, for making your trips. So you can connect with me. Thank you very much.